Hello everybody, welcome back to my tutorial series on WooCommerce discounts. In this video, we're going to learn how to create an attribute specific discount. Alright. Well, we're going to use the popular WooCommerce discount plugin called Discount Rules Pro for WooCommerce to create such discounts. Before we get into the video, please make sure you have downloaded, installed and activated the Discount Rules Pro plugin on your site. If you haven't done this yet, then please do not worry because we have a video that can help you to install the Discount Rules plugin, which we have posted already. You can find the link to download the plugin as well as the tutorial video in the description below. Feel free to check the description below for further details. With that being said, let's get started. Now, our WooCommerce store might have different products with different attributes such as color, size, sleeve type, sleeve length, etc. Isn't it? So you can just give discounts on these attributes using Discount Rules plugin, and I'm going to show you how. To do this, we're going to go to the WordPress dashboard. Under WooCommerce, you'll find Woo Discount Rules. If you click on Woo Discount Rules, you'll come to this page and you can just start creating new rules by clicking on this Add New Rule button, which will take you to the configuration page. Now here's where you can create the rule. In this video, we're going to offer 20% off on a specific attribute, color. Not only color but also color green. Alright, so all products associated to this attribute, which is color green, are going to receive 20% off. Alright, so whenever we go for attribute based discounts, it's important for us to predefine the attributes in WooCommerce. Now let me show you how I have done that, how we should predefine the attributes in WooCommerce. To do this, we're going to go to the products, and here there is something called attributes, isn't it? So here you will have to predefine it before even creating the rules. Now you can see that I have created two attributes, color and size. Alright, so you will have to first predefine it here and then start creating the discount rules. Alright, so this is one point to remember when you go for attribute specific discounts. After you have created or predefined the attributes in WooCommerce, let's go ahead and create the rule. Back to the rule configuration page. As said, we're going to offer a 20% off on a specific attribute, which is color green. Alright, so let me say color green. Nice. Now let's choose a discount type by clicking on this drop down below, and I'm going to select product adjustment. It's important for us to define the attributes in the filter because this is an attribute specific discount, isn't it? So let me click on this drop down below and select attributes. Now only if you have predefined the attributes, as said earlier in WooCommerce, you'll be able to load the specific attributes here. So make sure you do not forget to predefine the attributes in WooCommerce. After you have done that, you can just load the attribute here. As I said, it's going to be color green. So let me enter green here. Yes. Now that we have defined the specific attribute in the filter, which means this specific attribute is eligible for the discount. All products who are associated to this particular attribute color green will receive 20% off. Alright. Now let's go ahead and select the discount type and the value. The discount type is going to be percentage discount and the value is going to be 20. Nice. That is all. Let's save and close this discount rule and see how it works. Now the discount rule is saved successfully. Let me take you to the storefront and show you how it works. We're on the storefront now. You can notice that this specific product is eligible for discount. Let me take you to the products page. And let me select the specific color that is eligible for the discount, which is green. Alright, and choose the logo to know. Now you can notice that I can receive this product for $36 after a 20% discount is applied on it. Alright, so let me add this to the cart and take you to the cart page, and you can notice that this specific product has received 20% off because it belongs to the attribute green. Nice, isn't it? This is how attribute specific discounts work. Let me also add another product and show you if this works. Alright, so let me go to the shop page, and then here we have another product that qualifies for the discount. Let me choose the color green, any size, and you can notice that I can receive this product for $16 after a 20% discount is applied on them. So let me add to the cart I'll take you to the cart page. Now you can notice that both of these products receive 20% off because they are associated to the color green attribute. Nice, isn't it? That is all about attribute specific discounts. Thank you so much for watching.